Is it the right time to buy or sell the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. We published our initial report on our website on Friday, December 29, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since October 19, 2023, our system has identified ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF as a strong investment opportunity, rating it as a buy candidate with a score of 1.32. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis and invested in ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF 50 days ago, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 39.48%. This means that, on average, you could have enjoyed a daily return of 0.79% since our recommendation. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 54.12% change expected in the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 54.12% and 80.46%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 23.25% change over the next year. This could lead to a return between -15.08% and 34.29%. In terms of price, it could range from $17.40 to $27.52 after a year. Our latest update for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF brings you the following headline. The price of ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin ETF ended at $20.49 on Friday, experiencing a 1.59% decrease. On the last trading day, Friday, December 29, 2023, the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin ETF saw a decline of 1.59%, with its price dropping from $20.82 to $20.49. Throughout the day, the ETF's value fluctuated by 4.3%, reaching a low of $20.23 and a high of $21.10. Within the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a decrease of 3.53% overall. Although trading volume increased by 12 million shares on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be an early indication of increased risk in the upcoming days. In total, approximately $594.39 million worth of shares, amounting to 29 million shares, were bought and sold. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for this ETF was $22.13, while the lowest price was $10.16. Currently, the price sits 7.39% below the 52-week high, with a difference of $1.64. Furthermore, it is 53.74% below the all-time high, which was achieved on November 10, 2021, when the price reached $44.29. Let's take a look at the signals for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. On Friday, December 8, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the ETF has fallen by 7.24%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign. It is important to closely monitor the ETF. However, there have also been some positive signals. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal, but the long-term average indicates a buy signal. This suggests a general buy signal for the ETF, providing a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it will encounter resistance at around $21.08 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find support at around $20.01 from the long-term average. A breakup through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's currently giving a sell signal. Pivots, it also indicates a sell signal 15 days ago. Bollinger, on the other hand, it showed a buy signal 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, this one had a sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, contrarily, it gave a buy signal 54 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, just recently, it triggered a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, it yielded a buy signal 44 days ago. Remember to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. When it comes to support, this ETF has two key levels to watch. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $18.45 and $17.74. Support levels are important because they can indicate where buyers are willing to step in and potentially stop a decline. However, if the support level at $18.45 is broken, the ETF may then fall to the next support level at $17.74 and $17.18. It's important to note that testing a support level carries inherent risk. If the support level is breached, it could signal further downside potential. So keep a close eye on these support levels and monitor any potential breakouts or breakdowns. In terms of risk, this ETF is considered to have medium risk due to its average movements during the day and good trading volume. In the last day, the ETF had a 87 cents price range between its high and low, representing a 4.3% fluctuation. Over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 2.39%. Today, let's analyze the potential day trading levels for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. If the price starts moving upwards, the first resistance level we need to watch out for is at $20.75. If you haven't purchased any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for the price to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you already own some shares, this could be a suitable level for swing trading. On the other hand, if the price experiences a decline, the first support level we should pay attention to is at $18.45. If the price holds above this support level, it could present an attractive entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $19.65, which represents a decrease of 4.11%. This ETF has moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 14 days ago. Is ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, we have identified several negative signals and indicators that may impact its short-term development, potentially lasting for a few days or even weeks. However, we believe that over time, the current price presents a potential buying opportunity, with the likelihood of the price increasing over the next 3 months. Upon evaluating the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For Tuesday, January 2nd, we anticipate that ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF will open with a $0.116 increase and start trading at $20.61. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By accessing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.